retro, yeah. The DaRetroWizKid. It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today, we're going to be doing the official full detail review and on feed of the Travis Scott Air Jordan Retro 6 British Khaki. Now, shout out to my cousin. I can't say it again and enough. Appreciate you, cuzzo, man, for looking out for your boy, helping me pick these things up for the retail. Now, I appreciate that from my little cuz, Jet Black. Yesterday, we did the unboxing. Today, we get into it. Full detail review on feed. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures daily for you all so you guys can check out what kind of heat I got on my feet as well as the fit, man, that I put with it. Drip, you feel me? Well, with all that being said, man, let's jump right into it. Yeah! Man, when I say that these joints got a strong, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Yes, Lord, these things got a strong, man, look, these things, good gosh, man, these things have officially been smell test approved by your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Let's get these things up out the box. And we in there. Yes, Lord, y'all. I gotta get these things a big fuego. And I'm talking about fire flames, y'all. Hey, these things fuego, y'all. Go ahead and turn this camera around. Check out the box presentation. Check out all the accessories that come with it. And then throw these bad boys on feet. So we have that, I'm going to say it's supposed to be bright crimson, which is a form of a red type shade on the Jumpman for the lid of the box. And you have the Cactus Jack emblem right there. And then, of course, you guys, you know, we have the Jumpman right there with the air. I call it the sicko mode face. I don't know the technicality of what it's supposed to be called. Then we have the Cactus Jack right there going around. Again, getting hit with the Jumpman, the Cactus Jack face right there, that sicko mode. And the official name and colorway of the sneaker is the Air Jordan 6 Retro SP. British Khaki, bright crimson. I always go a half size down from my true size and 6s, so size 10.5. Suggested retail $250. Now inside, you guys, you get a dust cover right here, bright crimson Jumpman on that, and then on the other side of it, you guys can see we have that Cactus Jack. Now when you move into the box, you get a brown tissue paper right here. Underneath that brown tissue paper, you get hit with some white tissue paper. Hey, you already know, man, they got to be on point with the packaging, man. And right here we have the British Khaki Travis Scott 6, y'all. Super fuego fire flame. I must say that they did their thing on these, and I'm really pleased with the sneaker and the concept as well as the craftsmanship of the sneaker. Now on the bottom you have this translucent milky sole. You guys can see that sicko mode face, Travis Scott, the bright crimson Jumpman down there, and Cactus Jack Brandon down there, and this does glow in the dark very well. Entire upper coming with this British Khaki. Now when you're looking at this suede is nice, hairy, and on point. No glue stains on my pair. If I do say so myself, I feel like this pair right here was done to perfection. Now you guys can see underneath right there, you can see the midsole pick-a-bloom with that doggone glow in the dark type vibe on the midsole underneath it. And then you guys see we have that sicko mode face, the entire upper being in that great hairy suede, man. Hey, I can't emphasize how good they constructed this sneaker right here, and I'm just going off my pair due to quality control. Now you have the dark brown going up, which mimics off of the bag, if I would say so, and then you have the bright crimson Jumpman behind there. You have the Cactus Jack Brandon. Now here's a nice little look at that area that I'm talking about that kind of resembles the bag in a way, and if I'm not mistaken, that was on the 6s before as well. You have the Cactus Jack right there on the outer panels of the tongue on both pairs, and that tongue glows in the dark just like that lace lock right there. In the lace lock, you guys can see we have the Cactus Jack Brandon, and on the other side we have that Jumpman in the bright crimson. Right here on the inner panel, you can see we have the zipper type vibe when you're looking at that, and I will say that on the outer of that, it does have the hits of the 3M reflective. Now regular pocket like the first stash pocket that we saw on the first pair, inside of there you guys will see you do have a bright crimson hit lace lock that mimics, you know what I'm saying, giving it that vice versa when you're looking at the lace locks. In the right shoe you have the Nike Air Brandon, then in the left shoe you have the Cactus Jack Brandon. I think that they did a great job on this sneaker, man. All in all, I really don't know what those little three little things, them little lines up at the top supposed to be, man, I don't know, man. Maybe it's like a parachute bag. I ain't really read into that part, man, but I do like the vibe how they did that on the inner of the sneakers. Now, you do get 2 sets of laces with these, the bright crimson and the brown that come, so for a total of 3 when you include the ones that are in it. And when I say that these sneakers glow, they glow like crazy, man. They did a great, I always, man, I'm gonna be honest, it's the brightest glowing sneaker that I own, and you guys can see the lights aren't even all the way dimmed out in here. But let me know what your thoughts and opinions are of these things. Did you pick a pair up? Comment all that down below. Y'all already know I got to head outside and throw these bad boys on feet. Not to mention, hey, I forgot, Nike Air on the back, Cactus Jack on the back as well, and the spoiler does glow. But with all that being said, now we finna head outside, y'all, and we gonna throw these bad boys on feet. Let's get it.
30 in the clip, they gon' all fly. Don't cross sides, wrong move, we get you all tied. Without name dropping, you been my main prop. My shooter, he a blazer, he got ranges like Dame Dollar. We can only go off trust, cause I don't really do the love. Bring your friends through the crib, cause I don't really do the clubs. We got bottles, we got drugs, we gon' really do it up. Even little booties matter when you tryna catch a nut. Her niggas flexing on the gram, and I don't really do much. Niggas claiming they got work and they ain't never tooled up. Rather have it on my lap than be running to the trunk. Pussy fatter from the back, I see that ass from the front. Told her we get 68, I just had to owe you one. Let her suck me in the morning, shit feel better when I'm buzzed. My hands behind my back and they throwing me in the cruiser. Fuck your hoe straight from the back, she saying I really bruise her. Heard it came back to your ears, but I know that you won't do none. She facing, but she act like she on shit just to I need love, I need affection.
Yeah. I put that 2-3 on the back, I ain't no Jordan. I ain't talking about ballin' when I say that I'm scoring. Bottles on bottles, I'm looking like that I'm torn. Don't get teed up when I say that you born. All of my foreign joints and got my bro, hey. I don't know why, I know why that day. Stepping in, get bitchy on when we know what I'm doing. Fucking these hoes from out of state, don't know what I'm doing. Baby, I'm a survivor, baby. Yeah, baby, I'm a survivor, baby.
I hope you guys enjoyed the full detail review and on feet of the Air Jordan Retro 6 Travis Scott British Khaki colorway, man. Hey, I must say that it is definitely a huge step up in the way of going from releasing one 6 and then going into another 6 and using, you know what I'm saying, the same silhouette, but capitalizing and doing things a little bit different. Box presentation off the chart. You know I mess with the boxes, man, so I do love how they do it when it comes to the boxes. And then just having all these little small little details. You got the glowing in the dark back here on the spoiler, glowing in the dark right here, glowing in the dark right there on the lace lock, as well as on the bottom and everything. I think that was a nice touch. Having the extra set of lace locks that they came with, that was another nice thing, man, to make it complement that. It's kind of like an infrared, man. Y'all remember the Air Jordan Retro 6s that came out in like 2013? It's that color infrared, if you ask me. That's the color that I see when I'm looking at this sneaker right here. You know what I'm saying? But definitely switching it up, giving us another pocket over here, adding a little small little things, all the little attention to detail that they did. The dust cover bag, which is also pretty fuego, y'all already know. Nice little things that they did. It's definitely a step up from the first release. The only thing I would say is that if they had to put this, if they had built it like this on the first release, I would still say that that's my favorite. The colorway, man, the colorway of the first one, I like that one just a little bit more, but I like the way that they built this one, if that makes sense. So comment down below, let me know which one you guys rocking out with. You guys rocking out with the OG Travis Scott 6, or if you guys rocking out with this one. I will say the suede on these bad boys, A1, man. Hey, Travis, you did your thing, man. I'm just, hey, appreciate my cousin Jet Black, man. I can't say it enough, man. Bro, let me get these things for retail. I've officially been, you know, every Travis Scott that I'm purchased, I done got for retail. So that's love right now, man. I'm on a roll, but I think if I want to get the olive pair, I'm gonna have to pay to play, man. I definitely want to add that one to the collection. So we'll see how that goes. But I appreciate you guys rocking out with your boy. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna spin these pictures for you guys at the end. Follow your boy over on Instagram at DaRetroWizKid. Until the next video, peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a beat.